Hello and welcome back to another video. This is just going to be another short one, around 2.5 minutes. It's a demonstration and condition report for this 1970s Herbert Model 90 Anglepoise lamp. So as you can see here, it is working. The bulb is just in for demonstration at the moment with its on-off function through the switch at the top. Black cabling just down here, which is just tucked in, and then going over there to the plug. It's in a cream, I'd say more of a cream than a white colour. There's a patch here of like rust or wear through to the base. Small amounts of kind of discoloration, maybe like there was a cream and then a layer on top, and maybe the layer on top's become discoloured rather than the lamp. But not too bad. Little light bits of wear just along here on the metal. Coming up here again, the condition is good in terms of there's no dinks or damage. It's just got like this slightly unusual mottling, just a tiny little bit of here. You can just feel a little bit of texture with your fingers, and it's just little bits like this. So as a whole though, potentially I guess you could try and colour match this. I've just left it as it is, but yeah, it's kind of a creamy white creamy colour. It all functions, so you've got your movement here, etc. So it all adjusts and holds its position, and these kind of things are always just really nice. So if you're after this kind of colour rather than the black one, you've got this one here. It'll be reasonably priced. It's going onto my my eBay tonight. I hope you enjoyed the video, mainly just for people interested in purchasing the lamp. And until the next one, all the best, take care, and see you.